Hi, good day to all. This is Arya Anand from Edu Skills International. So today I'll just show you how to enroll the courses from Edu Skills application. Okay, so for that on Google you have to type app.eduskills.org.in. On your right hand side there will be a login. You have to click on that. If you're not registered till now, or if you are a new aspirant, then you have to click here, create new account. Okay, there you have to type the username. You have to create your own username and password by using your name or some numbers. Okay, so for example, username, I'm just typing the name Arish. Okay, so you can type the full name, no issues. Then password must have a uppercase letter and lowercase letter, special characters and some numbers. Okay, so you have to enter your email address. Okay, whatever it is, your email address you have to enter here. Re-enter the email address. Your first name you have to enter. Okay, your last name you have to enter. Then city, town or country, if you can, then you can enter, otherwise no need. Okay, then create my new account, you have to click. So there will be an account created for you, and they'll send you a mail. In the mail there will be a link. You have to click on that link and confirm your registration. Once you have confirmed your registration, you can again come to the page app.eduskills.org.in. okay, so there will be a page like this. Okay, you can just log in and this page will open. You can add your username and password what you have created before. Okay, so now I have entered username and the password, so click on login. So this page is open now. This is the home page. Okay, so these are the courses available for us. So you can select any of the batch. Edu beginners you can select, or Edu Media, Edu Kerala 6 or Edu India 6. Okay, so Edu Media 6 is for those who have not time to attend the class. You can only watch the videos and do the task. So if you are like that, then you can join in Edu Media 6. If you are a Malayali and if you have time to learn OET, if you are not working, then you can join in Edu Kerala 6. In Edu India 6, if you are a non-Malayali and if you have time to learn OET and if you are not working, then Edu India 6 you can select. Okay, and one more batch is there, Edu beginners. This is for the beginners. If you are a beginner in Edu Skills or if you are a beginner in OET, you can enroll this course. Okay, so now I'm selecting Edu Media 6. If you want to, if I'm working and I want to join in Edu Media 6, then I have to click on Edu Media 6. Okay, then a page will open like this, self-enrollment. Now you can self-enroll your course. Okay, so if you want to join in Edu Media 6, you can click here, enroll me. Okay, so you are enrolled in the course. Here we have uploaded the assignments. Okay, on the course you have announcements, day 1, day 2, day 3, all those things. Okay, so day 1 you can select. Okay, attempt quiz. Okay, you can just attempt quiz, start attempt. Okay, so this is a reading part A. You can attempt the question. Okay, once you completed your just simply marking some answers. Okay, it's not correct, I'm just simply marking. Okay, then finally you have finish attempt. Okay, you have to click on finish attempt, and again they will ask you like submit all and finish. You have to click there. So once you click on that, you have submitted your first day task. Then again you have to click on the day 2. Okay, on the next day. So please do it on the daily basis, so you can complete all the tasks and you can join for the discussion at 8:30 p.m. also. Okay, so like this you have to enroll your course. Hope it is understood how to enroll and how to do the task. Okay, thank you.